sturdy.
Again.
It's two. Two more to go.
Listen.
And here is the bench, and here's the flooring, the rubber flooring tiles, the fake canopy here that we are going to put right along here because it rains and it gets rainy. Okay, Anchor Gym fans, we are in the final stage of completing the home gym. We put up the fake plants so the rain doesn't get in on the floor. Now we're going to put in the flooring, just right here. These rubber tiles. So we're going to put those in. Stay tuned. Perfect. Okay, everybody, here's the big reveal. First off, I have my spinning bike, which is wonderful. And I put in this rubber flooring tile, which is great, very cushiony for your feet. I train without shoes, which is great. And this lovely bench, it's a multi-angle bench, so I can lay it flat or do declines or inclines or whatever. Okay, and then I have the plus station on the wall. So I have a unit right around my ankle, stomach height, chest height, and just over my head. And over here, we have the Anchor Gym accessories on the Anchor Gym accessory rack. And we have the fitness bar, body weight strap, we've got a stretch strap, got the black mountain bands, got the large loop bands. So there you have it.